All right, let's jump right in. I am absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're about to bring some much-needed structure to absolute board game chaos. In this explainer, we're visually mapping out exactly how to play the Monopoly Free Parking Jackpot expansion. If you're tired of sifting through dense rulebooks and just want a clear, step-by-step guide to get this game on the table and honestly just start dominating your friends, you are in the perfect place. So pull up a chair and let's get into it.
We've all been there, right? You're playing classic Monopoly, you roll the dice, and boom, you land right on free parking. And nothing happens. It's just a safe space. But a lot of us grew up with that legendary house rule, where all the tax and fee money gets piled into the center of the board, just waiting for someone to land on free parking and scoop the whole thing up. Well, what's so amazing about the source material we're looking at today is that this expansion actually makes that house rule completely official. And honestly, it cranks the chaos up to 11.
Okay, let's dive right into this. The Free Parking Jackpot expansion is not just some minor little tweak, it's a total overhaul of the game's pacing. This variation literally strips out the familiar chance and community chess mechanics completely. Instead, it throws in a massive communal cash pot, a brand new spinner system, and this ridiculously overpowered new token called the Dealmobile. It basically takes everything you know about standard Monopoly and injects it with a massive dose of speed and unpredictability. To keep things simple, we're going to follow a clear rulebook flow today. First, setting up the expansion. Second, the free parking jackpot. Third, spinning and bonus cards. Fourth, driving the Dealmobile. And finally, how to win it all.
Okay, starting with Section 1, setting up the expansion, prepping the board.
So, to get the game ready, you'll start with your standard board, but we've got to make a few quick modifications. Step 1, completely remove those chance and community chess decks. You simply don't need them anymore. Step 2, grab that new free parking board attachment and literally lock it right onto the free parking corner. Then, shuffle the new bonus cards, deal 2 to each player, and put the rest face down by that new attachment. Step 3, take the new spin spaces and just clip them directly over where chance and community chest used to live. Step 4, hand out 2 spin chips and a reminder card to everybody at the table. And finally, Step 5, take that shiny new Dealmobile token and park it right on the free parking space. Easy enough, right?
Moving on to Section 2, the Free Parking Jackpot, the new economy.
Now, this is the biggest fundamental shift in the whole expansion. In classic Monopoly, when you pay a tax or fee, that money just vanishes straight into the bank's bottomless vault, never to be seen again. But with the expansion rules, all of that money goes directly into the free parking jackpot instead. Every single tax, every fee, it all swells into this massive, game-changing pile of cash just sitting right there in the middle of the board.
So, I know you're wondering, how do you actually get your hands on that mountain of cash? Well, the rule is strict, but man, is it thrilling. You absolutely must land on the free parking space by exact count, but if you pull it off, the payoff is huge. First off, you get to draw 1 bonus card. Second, you scoop up that entire jackpot for yourself. And third, you trigger the Dealmobile. We're going to get to that chaotic little vehicle in just a second.
Which brings us to Section 3, spinning and bonus cards, taking chances.
Since chance and community chest are out of the picture, we've got a spinner now. Let's break down exactly when you use it. If you land on any owned property or one of those new clipped-on spin spaces, you got to spin the spinner and draw a bonus card. Also, on your turn, you can actually choose to pay one of your spin tokens to the bank just to trigger a spin and draw a card. Now, what happens when you actually spin? Well, if it lands on red, you have to pay that amount straight into the jackpot. If it lands on green, you just follow whatever instructions it gives you. And if you're incredibly lucky and hit jackpot, you collect the entire free parking pot right on the spot. No way around it, that's a massive swing.
And this introduces a totally fascinating new layer of strategy. Let's talk about those bonus cards first. You can hold as many as you want in your hand, and you can play as many as you want on your turn. You just shuffle them back into the deck once you're done. But the spin tokens, that's where things get really spicy. Let's say someone lands on your property. Get this, you can actually choose to forfeit collecting rent and take 1 spin token from the bank instead. Why in the world would you do that? Because there's no limit to how many tokens you can hoard. Plus, you can buy, trade, or sell them with other players. Honestly, sometimes getting a token for a crucial spin is worth way more to your game plan than the tiny $12 you'd squeeze out of Baltic Avenue.
All right, Section 4, driving the Dealmobile, unleash the chaos.
When you get behind the wheel of the Dealmobile, the standard rules of real estate literally just vanish. While driving this thing, all unowned properties you land on are completely free. You don't pay the bank a single dime, you just take the deed. And it gets better. You pay zero rent to other players when you land on their properties. Seriously, imagine landing on a fully developed boardwalk with a hotel, looking the owner right in the eye, waving as you drive by, and paying absolutely nothing. It is so wonderfully overpowered.
Let's look at the actual logistics here. Remember, you get the Deal Mobile by landing on free parking by exact count. When that happens, you physically swap out your standard token for the Deal Mobile. Your original piece just stays parked right there on free parking. The next time you move, you're cruising in the Deal Mobile. And while you're in it, not only do you dodge rent, but opponents can't even collect a spin token off you if you land on their spot. But you got to be careful because this massive advantage is fleeting. You immediately lose the Deal Mobile and swap your original token back if you get sent to jail. You also lose it if another player gets it, whether that's from a card, a lucky spin, or by them landing on free parking themselves. It comes and goes fast.
And finally, Section 5, how to win it all, the sudden death finish. Because properties get scooped up for free, this game does not drag on for 6 hours. 0. That is the magic number. Classic Monopoly is notoriously slow because you have to slowly bankrupt everyone until one person is left standing. This expansion totally fixes that. The very second that just one player hits 0 and goes bankrupt, the whole game stops, instantly. Or it stops the moment all properties on the board are owned. There's no slow, painful bleed here. It is an abrupt, sudden death finish.
When that sudden stop hits, you jump right into the final payout sequence. This is a very specific mathematical checklist, so let's make sure we're on the same page. First, every player collects money from the bank equal to the printed board value for every single property they own. Second, you collect rent directly from the bank for each of those properties at whatever its current rent level is. So if you've got houses and hotels, they pay off massively right here at the end. You tally all that newfound cash up with whatever was already in your hand. In step 3, the player sitting there with the absolute most money is crowned the winner.
By turning frustrating taxes into massive jackpots and replacing those old chance cards with high-stakes spins and free real estate, this expansion fundamentally rewrites the Monopoly experience. It's faster, it's wilder, and it absolutely forces you to rethink how you value everything on the board. So the only question left for your next game night is this. Will you bankrupt the competition through shrewd property management, or will you just let the Deal Mobile drive you to victory? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this breakdown makes getting the free parking jackpot expansion to the table an absolute breeze. Stay focused out there and keep learning.